You're all very welcome to the FAI Umbro Colleges and Universities League draws. We have 3 draws today. We have the 2nd Division, 1st Division and Premier Divisions. 2nd and 1st Division are semi-final draws and the Premier are quarter-final draws. Now, I'll explain things as we go along, but we'll start with Division 2 first. And what we have is, in the large cup we have balls number 1 to 4. And the teams as they are listed 1 to 4 are number 1 Tipperary Institute, number 2 Drogheda Institute, number 3 Dunleary AIDT and number 4 IT Tala. And we're delighted to have our technical director Mr. Patrick Bonner with us today to do the draw along with So if we proceed with the draw, and I'd ask Packy to pull from the big cup.
Number 1.
Number 1 is Tipperary Institute. Liam, go ahead.
The smaller
versus no same cup.
Number 3
versus number 3 Dunleary AIDT.
Number 4.
Number 4 is IT Tala C.
And number 2
versus Drogheda Institute of Further Education. That's a semi-final draw for the 2nd Division, and those matches will take place on the 28th of January. Okay. Now we'll move on to the 1st Division. And the 1st Division is a semi-final draw again. Teams listed 1 to 4. And the teams are as follows. Number 1 is the winners of 1st Division South, which has to be determined. Number 2 is Athlone IT. Number 3 is Sallynoggin College of Further Education. And number 4 is Colosha Eda B or Southwest College. Again, I'd like to ask Packy to draw the home team. If you proceed from the big cup, please.
Big cup. Number 1 again.
Number 1 is the winners of Division 1 South.
Number 4
versus number 4 Colosha Eda or Southwest College.
Number 3.
Number 3 is Sallynoggin College of Further Education.
And number 2
versus Athlone IT. They again are semi-final fixtures, and again they'll be played on 28th of January 2009. Now we move on to the Premier Division. The Premier Division is slightly different, where the winners of the various divisions in the Premier get a home draw in the quarter-finals, and the runners-up are all drawn away. So the home teams will be listed 1 to 4, and the away teams will be listed 1 to 5. Balls 1 to 4 are in the big cup, balls 5 to 8 are in the small cup. I'll ask maybe Liam this time to draw the home teams from the big cup and Packy draw the away teams from the small cup. So, okay, just before we proceed, before we proceed with the draw, I'll just list the teams. The teams that will be drawn with a home fixture are 1 to 4, and they're University of Limerick, Letterkenny IT, number 2, number 3 Athlone IT, and number 4 University College Dublin. The teams that will be given an away fixture in the draw will be teams number 5 University College Cork or Colosha Stephen Nafa, number 6 Queen's University Belfast, number 7 Sligo IT, and number 8 Tala IT. So if we could ask Liam to proceed with the draw, please.
Number 4.
Number 4 is UCD, University College Dublin.
Number 6.
versus number 6 Queen's University Belfast.
Number 3.
Number 3 is Athlone IT versus
Number 5.
number 5 University College Cork or Colosha Stephen Nafa.
Number 2.
Number 2 is Letterkenny IT
Number 7.
versus number 7 Sligo IT. Northwest Derby there. And the last one is
number 1.
Number 1 University of Limerick
versus number 8.
Number 8 Tala IT. That concludes the draw for the Premier Division quarter-finals. Ties to be played on the 28th of January. And I'd like just to thank Packy and Liam for the draw. Thanks a lot.